Here we are at step number 4. At the end of this step, this is what your step 4 is going to look like. The first layer is going to be complete, and the second layer is going to be complete. Alright, so these are the first 2 layers. How do we do it? Once you finish your first layer correctly, and these are like little upside down T's, mini T's, right? You're going to look on the top layer for a good edge piece. So a good edge piece is an edge that doesn't have yellow on it. So this is a good edge, this is a bad edge, has yellow. That's a good edge, and this is a bad edge. That's good, that's bad, and that's bad. So that's 4 good edges and 4 bad edges. You will look on top for a good edge. I see one. I'm going to keep it in front. It's red and blue. This blue that's facing me, I need it to match up to the blue side. Just like that. If you did it correctly, it's going to look like an upside down T, like a really big upside down T. Let's give you another example. Here's another good edge. I need this orange sticker that's facing me to go to the orange side, so I'm going to rotate the bottom 2 layers until I see orange. There we go. Upside down T. Once this is placed correctly, you're going to ask yourself the question, does this blue go to the left or to the right? If you notice, the blue is on the right, so yes, this blue goes to the right. If it goes to the right, you're going to turn this piece away from the right, which looks like this. You're going to do the Rubik's move on the right, so it's away, right finger down, left finger. This white sticker that came out, it needs to be rotated. The whole cube needs to be rotated so that this white sticker faces your opposite hand, which is your left hand. Physically rotate. Once it's rotated, you're going to do the Rubik's move on the left. Away, left finger, down, right finger. In doing those sequence of moves, you've taken that good edge piece that was on top and you correctly placed it in the middle layer next to the corner piece. So that's what it looks like. Let's do it again. Let's look for a good edge on top. I see one. Red and blue. This blue needs to go to the blue side, so I'm going to rotate the bottom 2 layers until I see it match up with blue. I have a really big upside down T. That means it's correct. Top sticker color. Is this red? Does this red go to the left side or the right side? It goes to the right, so we do the same thing we just did earlier. If it goes to the right, turn this piece away from the right. Do the Rubik's move on the right. This white sticker that came out, rotate it to your left hand, just like that. And do the Rubik's move on the left. Away, left finger, down, right finger. It took that good edge and you put it into the middle layer. And again, another good edge. We have 2 more to go because that was number 1 and that was number 2 right here. Good edge right here. It's red. It has to match to the red side, which it already is. It's an upside down T. Does this green go to the left or to the right? If it goes to the right, turn it away from the right. Do the Rubik's move on the right. This white sticker faces to your left hand. Do the Rubik's move on the left. Awesome. One last edge. Orange and green, take this to the orange side. It looks like an upside down T. Does this green go to the left or to the right? If it goes to the left, turn it away from the left. Do the Rubik's move on the left. This white sticker that came out, it needs to be rotated to point to your opposite hand. So we're going to rotate it to the right hand. We're going to do the Rubik's move on the right. Away, right finger, down, left finger. That's how we do the first 2 layers. Let's do it one more time. We're done with our first layer. You're going to look on the top for a good edge. I see a good edge right here. This green has to match to the green side, which it already is. It's an upside down T. Does this orange go to the left or to the right? If it goes to the right, turn it away from the right. Do the Rubik's move on the right. This white sticker that came out for the corner, point it to your, rotate it to your left hand, and do the Rubik's move on the left. Now it's inserted correctly. Now we continue. Look for a good edge. I found a good edge right here. It's red. Match it to the red side. Perfect. Does this blue go to the left or to the right. If it goes to the left, which it does, turn it away from the left. Do the Rubik's move on the left. This white sticker that came out, you need to rotate the cube so that the white sticker points to your opposite hand, which is the right hand. And we perform the Rubik's move on the right. There we go. And we continue to look for good edges. I found one. Orange and blue. Take this, match it to the orange side. Does this blue sticker go to the left or to the right? It goes to the right. So if it goes to the right, we turn this edge away from the right. Do the Rubik's move on the right. This white sticker that came out, point it to your left hand, and do the Rubik's move on the left. And one more to go. Good edge. Match it to the green side. Red. It goes to the left, so we turn it away from the left. Do the Rubik's move on the left. Rotate so that this white sticker faces the right hand, and do the Rubik's move on the right. That's how we complete the first 2 layers.